In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an account in Do Prime. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, click on the Accounts tab top left and click on Accounts Overview, or of course Open Demo or Live Account. It's going to take you to the same page. Here you can see all your accounts and you can just click on the one you want to open. I'm going to do a demo account, but it's a similar process to a live account. So just click on that and from here select your account type. I'm going to do, of course, MT5. You can do whatever you want, either MT4 or MT5, ECN or STP account, it's up to you. Press continue, and then here you'll be able to select your leverage, your currency you want to use, as well as your initial balance. Press continue again, and if everything looks fine on the confirmation page, press continue again, and you'll receive your login credentials for either MT5 or MT4 on your screen, as well as onto your email, and you'll be able to see your new fresh account inside the Accounts Overview tab. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.